If you're thinking about visiting Venice during Carnival, here is what it actually feels like and what you shouldn't miss. First, just walking the city is half of the experience. The canals are beautiful year round, but during Carnival, you'll randomly turn a corner and run into people in full costume and mask. Some are posing for photos, while others are just strolling to coffee like it's a normal day. You'll also notice small street performances popping up across the city, musicians, performers, and little acts in the square, especially around San Marco. Food wise, do not miss out on cicchetti. These are small bar snacks you eat standing up or sitting if you find a spot. Pop into different Baccari, grab one or two bites, and move on. It's so much fun and way cheaper. One thing really worth booking ahead is a visit to Luigi Bevilacqua. It's a historic textile workshop where they still weave velvet on centuries old looms. It's super unique and something you won't accidentally find on your own. If you have time, take a boat to Burano for half of a day. The colorful houses are beautiful in person and it's a quieter break from the carnival crowds. And then in the evening, just slow down and enjoy the sunset. Venice during Carnival is my favorite time of year to visit, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I do.